Hi, I'm Diwali. He's Saurabh. We are proud parents of Sia. She is almost 2 months old. So basically, I wanted to share my story. So we came to Dr. Tanima because the baby was having lactation issues and she was not latching at all. She was, born. It was a C-section. So initially, the doctor told us that you'll not get milk and the baby needs to be fed through bottle. And we thought that okay, let's go by what doctor is saying, and we continued that. And after a few days, she developed jaundice, and again she was more or less on bottle only and less on breast. After a point, almost 3-4 weeks. After 3-4 weeks, she was not coming on breast at all, not latching at all, and at that time we felt that there's something wrong and we need to do something about it. We were searching for lactation consultants. It was very difficult to find a lactation consultant in Lucknow, especially. So my husband helped out, and he actually searched a lot of places, and he came to know about Maa-Si. And then we came here and we spoke to a doctor. And at that point, to be very honest, I had given up hope that she'll come on my breast and I'll be able to feed her, and that was very important for me. So we came to her, and the first thing that I got from her was confidence, and second thing was all the practical things that I need to do. So we went through certain things like how to latch, how to make the baby latch, how to increase breast milk my capacity and all, and what was my posture, what was I eating and all. So we worked on those things, and you won't see the improvement immediately, but gradually you'll see that you are seeing the improvement. And most important thing is the motivation that comes along, and trust me, it helps. So that was really helpful. And this is on first month that we started this, and it is about to be it's almost 2 months. The baby is latching well. She has also come on breast, like she's partially on top feed and partially on breast milk. The thing that I think that was, if we would have done something initially, if somebody would have advised that you need to do these steps need to be taken. The first fault was with the doctor, that they didn't advise. They don't take lactation consultancy as serious as it is, because it's the golden period that you lose in the beginning. So I would suggest that, I know it should be like you go for your pregnancy classes, your all this classes that you attend. I think lactation classes should be separately dealt with. I would suggest that a doctor actually takes those classes, and you can visit and take those classes. Even if you attend that class for one day, I think it will be helpful, because initially there were old ways of dealing with things, and probably what our mothers say, I'm not saying that they're wrong or wrong in their experience or anything, but I would still say there are a lot of research that has gone into all these things, and it will really help if you know the right science behind it. So that will help. So I would suggest taking those classes. If not, then please visit only in the first month of after your baby is born. That is still okay, but don't make it too late for you to bring your baby on your breast. But even if you are late, I would suggest still go for it.
Yes.
It can happen anytime. So
Yes.
that's my experience.
Okay, thank you. And what has father has to say about this?
Yeah, so I would recommend that, especially in the smaller cities like Lucknow, the lactation consultancy is like not there at all. Like people just, like she said, doctors just say that, oh, don't worry about it, nurse will do everything. So don't listen to them. Definitely research about it, and like there is very good clinic here, Maa-Si, by the name of Maa-Si in Lucknow. So definitely do try that out. She also takes like online classes, so you can just especially in this COVID era and all, it's really helpful. So that's how we started, because we were scared to take our baby out. So you can definitely do the online class, and if you are in Lucknow, you can definitely visit, and it really helps. And as Dipali told, prenatal class about lactation is really worth it, and even post it is important, and we all should do that.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you both of you, and all the best to both of you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.